GIGABYTE B550M AORUS ELITE Motherboard Micro-ATX. Socket AM4 for Ryzen 5000, 4000, 3000. Series CPU Dual-Channel DDR4. SATA 3M.2. The GIGABYTE B550M AORUS ELITE is a Micro-ATX motherboard designed for AMD Ryzen processors with an AM4 socket. Here are its key features. Chipset, B550. Socket, AM4. Compatible with Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series CPUs. Memory, dual-channel DDR4, supporting up to 64 GB. Storage, features SATA 3 connectors and M.2 slots for SSDs. Expansion. PCIe 4.0 and PCIe 3.0. Slots for graphics and other expansion cards. Connectivity includes USB ports, Ethernet, and audio jacks. This motherboard is suitable for mid-range to high-end builds, providing robust performance and future-proofing with PCIe 4.0 support.